Hey guys, this is John Reeves with Smokin X. We're here at the American Royal cooking on our GMGs, cooking under Team GMG. It's my good buddy
Chris Chadwick right here, Hog County Cookers.
So we're going to do some reverse-sear ribeye, some red meats. We're going to show you how to do that here in a second on your ledge.
And what we're going to do is have some sides to go along with that. What goes better with steak than mushroom and onion?
Let's get this done. First thing we're going to do after we get them out of the packaging is use our Simply Beef seasoning.
Perfect combination of salt, garlic, pepper.
We're going to let them sit for 15 minutes or so and get this party started.
What we're going to do with these sides, we're just going to season these up and get them ready to go on the grill when we get our steaks on. We've got our ledge running about 450 degrees. We got 2 cast iron skillets. Here we go.
All right, guys, we've smoked our steaks for about 20-25 minutes. They're up to about 100 degrees. We're going to sear them now. We've got the GMG running about 485, 490, somewhere in that range. This is how we do a dinner for two.